Hi, my name is Jenny and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you and stay until the end of the video to don't miss a very important thing. The first thing you need to know about OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic is be careful with the website you're going to buy OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic from, because OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic works, and after many laboratory tests, you really benefit from the same powerful and ancient Japanese tonic that keeps thousands of happy men and women from the island of Okinawa slim, toned, young and full of energy. Now you can, because the secret powerful Japanese formula is finally available in the USA. With this incredible blend of scientifically proven nutrients, you simply drink 1 cup daily to burn away your most stubborn fat, support healthy digestion, increase natural energy levels and feel great again all day long. The most potent, youth-enhancing blend of unique Japanese nutrients taken daily by the inhabitants of the tiny, remote island of Okinawa to burn off unlimited amounts of troublesome, unwanted fat, increase energy levels and enjoy optimal health. Now for the first time ever, you too can take the very same formula as the inhabitants of the tiny Japanese island of Okinawa to enjoy a slim, toned and attractive body for years to come. Live a long, happy life free of worries about health. And experience pleasurable waves of new, natural energy. Imagine not having to worry again. Regain your confidence and take control of your life. OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic is 100% natural, non-GMO, no stimulants and non-habit forming. OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic is safe and effective. Thousands of people enjoy taking OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic every day, and we have not received one complaint about side effects. OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic is manufactured here in the USA in a state-of-the-art FDA-registered and GMP, good manufacturing practices, certified facility. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic for 90 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Just take 1 single cup every day and you will love the results you will see and how you will feel, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic has no side effects since it is natural. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that OKINAWA Flat Belly Tonic actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. As I said before, to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video with great discount. Please subscribe to get more reviews. Thank you for watching.